Hello kids! Welcome to my channel, Basket Buddies. Today, we're all going to the jungle to learn ABCS with our animal friends. First, a bright emerald green egg glowed beside a smiling alligator near the jungle river. The alligator called, alligator, as Alex and Alexa waved hello. Next, a golden bee floated behind bamboo trees near a bear eating juicy berries. The bee bear loves berries, the bear mumbled, splashing juice that made Alex and Alexa laugh. A shiny pink sea spun slowly under a flower tree as a playful cat chased butterflies. Alexa exclaimed, "Cat loves to play." A silver D glowed near a dancing deer. The deer twirled, saying, Deer loves dancing." Alex and Alexa watched, enchanted by their graceful twirls. A blue letter E floated near a pond. A playful elephant sprayed water with its trunk, making everyone cheer. A bright orange letter F glowed near a clever fox. The fox held a jungle map, ready to guide the way. A tall yellow letter G shone beside a gentle giraffe. The giraffe bent down to smile sweetly at everyone. H is for honeybee, buzzing with joy. A lime green eye glowed near an iguana resting on a tree branch. Alex observed, Iguana loves insects, as tiny bugs buzzed around the shining letter. J is for jungle, wild and wonderful. A purple K bounced along with a hopping kangaroo. Alexa exclaimed, Kangaroo jumps so high!" As a baby Joey waved from the pouch. A royal golden L glowed like sunlight behind a majestic lion. "Leo Lion is the king of the jungle," it roared softly, its voice echoing. A brown M swung from vines as a playful monkey tossed mangoes. "Monkey loves mangoes," it chattered, and a mango landed near Alexa, making her giggle. A sky blue N glowed near a singing nightingale. Alexa listened intently, saying, "Nan Nightingale sings so beautifully," as music filled the air. A golden O spun slowly under the moonlight as a wise owl with glasses blinked kindly. "Oh, owl is wise," it hooted, surrounded by soft sparkles. A bright green P shone near a talking parrot. Parrot can talk too," it chirped, copying Alex's words and making everyone laugh. A soft pink Q glowed gently near a quail and her babies. Alex thought, "Q quail is tiny and cute," as the baby quails chirped happily. An orange R shone as a rabbit hopped with a carrot. A rabbit loves carrots," it munched, making a fun sound. A shiny green S slithered and twirled with a friendly snake. "Snake loves sunshine," it hissed playfully as sunbeams reflected off both. A bold striped T glowed fiercely beside a brave tiger. Tiger is brave," it roared heroically, its voice echoing through the jungle. A rainbow U glowed brightly with sparkles as a unicorn appeared. "Ooh, unicorn spreads magic," it neighed, leaving dreamy glitter trails. A silver V soared high with a friendly vulture. Vulture keeps the jungle clean," it squawked, teaching a valuable lesson about nature. A moonlit W glowed softly as a playful wolf howled. Wolf loves the moon," it sang, creating a peaceful night rhythm. A transparent X glowed underwater near shiny fish. Alex marveled. XX X-ray fishes see through as soft bubbles rose around them. A white Y sparkled in snowy mountains high above the jungle. A sturdy yak proclaimed, "Ye yak likes cold and snow," as frost mist swirled. Finally, a black and white Z lit up near a happy zebra. Alexa admired. Zebra has stripes. Then, all the letters A to Z rose into the sky, forming the alphabet jungle as everyone cheered, having learned A to Z. Get ready! The next episode will be amazing. Make sure you watch it. Bear and Star. The end.